So today we're gonna talk briefly about muscle system in Houdini 21. We're gonna talk about Ottis Solver, the new GPU accelerated solver, and we're gonna talk about this amazing auto tension line, and we're gonna talk about something called transfer muscle and transfer bone. So let's have a chat with muscle system. So hi everyone, this is Dyson. Welcome back. We are traveling and I wanna get in touch with you in this beautiful village. As you can see, amazing and very cool. In this video, we're gonna talk about briefly, just overview about new muscle system in Houdini 21. We're gonna see Ottis and we're gonna see a lot of things. So before that, let me thank these amazing people on our website supporting us with their kindness. Thank you guys, I appreciate it. Honestly, I love you all, honestly. So let's begin. So first, as you can see, we have new muscle and Ottis Solver here, and we have amazing Ottis muscle tissue and a lot of things. So we can search Ottis and you can see Solver, muscle and tissue configuration and simulation and a lot of things, you see. So we're gonna begin with Ottis Solver, and if you're not familiar with muscle system, you can watch these two videos. We talk about muscle system a lot. You need some muscle system knowledge to get this. So we have Ottis Solver, as you can see, and we can go with Ottis configure muscle and tissue, and you can connect it like that. And the first node, as you can see, it's need muscle geometry, and the second node tissue and bone geometry. For example, for the first node, for the first input, you need, for example, muscle property Ottis, and you can go with that. But you see, we have this simple setup, but let me show you the template the SideFX provide for us, and this is the Ottis Solver GPU accelerated solver. So we're gonna go with this Ottis test geometry simulation, as you can see, and we have this setup provided by SideFX, and you can learn from it. And as you can see, if you pay attention, it's similar to all this setup. And as you can see, this is Ottis Solver. Personally, I didn't see any GPU accelerated. I didn't feel anything. It's pretty slow for me, and I have decent PC, as you can see. And you see, we have this muscle configuration, and you can connect it to this bone. This is the bone of our character. Auto, yeah, we're gonna talk about that later on, about auto. And you have new flex 2.0. As you can see, it's flexing the muscle. We talk about this a lot in these two videos we mentioned earlier. And as you can see, we have this Ottis configure muscle and tissue, and you can configure that. So we are looking briefly about this setup, and I want to show you something to start with. So another one, it's this amazing auto tension line. Yeah, this is very cool. So what is tension line? It's very cool thing to flex your muscle between two bone. So if your bone is moving, the muscle between them will flex based on this line, the length of this line. So earlier we need to do that manually and draw this line, but now we have this auto tension line draw automatically. So as you can see, this is our muscles, and it will take the muscle as an input, and it will calculate this line as we talk about that. And you see, this is very amazing. It will save you a lot of time, and after that it will create, you need to create this muscle tension line active to active these lines based on your need. So this is the headache, of course, but you need to do that, honestly. And then you can fit that to the flex 2.0 to flex this muscle. This is very amazing, and the rest is simple to go to the Ottis Solver. So the next one is this amazing muscle transfer and bone transfer. You see, this is amazing thing. You can transfer your muscle and bone to different character with different structure. This is very cool, to be honest. And as you can see, this is the muscle transfer node. You see it, this one. And as you can see, it will take this 5 input. Yeah, this is very cool node, as you can see. And it will take geometry to transfer, and this node and skin geometry, etc. But yeah, for that we have another template, thanks to SideFX. Thank God we have that, otherwise we will flow down with this. So as you can see, this is our template, and as you can see, this is the muscle transfer and this is the bone transfer. This is very amazing. And again, I didn't see any improvement in terms of speed. It's so slow, it's so old school and slow. And I have decent PC. Yeah, it's not a great PC, but yeah, it can handle this. So as you can see, this is the new bone for the giant from the Otto bone, Otto, the human character. And this is the muscle, the new muscle, as you can see, the new muscle for the giant. Let me show you the giant to get the idea. This is our giant. We have only the geometry of this giant, and this is our Otto bone. You see, this is the normal bone, and we have the Otto muscle. So this is the new bone. It's transferring the Otto bone, Otto, the new character, to this giant, and it's transferring the muscle too. So this is very amazing and very convenient, honestly. Just with geometry you can transfer all this. So the future of this tool set will be so interesting. I love to see what's SideFX doing with that in the future. So the last one, it's this Otto character. It's very amazing, full rigged apex character. You can see, you can access it in here. You see this test geometry Otto. It's very cool character. You can learn from it and you can build your setup from this character. And we are in future trying to integrate this muscle system into Mocha X. What is Mocha X? It's our digital asset to make everything simple for character set, from motion capture, animation, cloth system, and even muscle system. I'm chasing this idea to create this stuff in simple way, not in this messy setup. And yeah, it will give you a lot of things. You can watch this video, of course. So we are trying to integrate this muscle system into that. That's why I wanted to show you this new muscle system briefly. So with that, see you in the next one, hopefully with this war. Pray for us. Goodbye.